And hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Joining me today is Mimi, my lovely daughter. How you doing? Yeah? Are you watching your program? She's noshing on a little lunch. Spending some time using a spoon. Yeah? Miles is at school. But today, I figured I would do one right while she's having her lunch. And I thought it was kind of an interesting one. This is Sapporo Ichiban Pickles Chige Ramen. Look, there are pickles. Pickles. You say pickles? Noodles. There's Elmo. Pickles. Anyways, I think Pickles is a company that makes things that are pickled, like kimchi. So here's the cup, declothed, however you want to put it. Lots of interesting looking stuff in here, and this one takes 3 minutes, and we'll rip apart some Monopoly tickets while we do so. Yeah? Are you winning? We went out for our constitutional this morning. I think we walked like 5 miles. That's pretty good. Trying to make these shoes last longer, and my feet too, so. Alright, so let's add water to the line. Why is it that when I pour water, it goes down the back? It's like one of those trick cups. Why is it, Mimi? Why? Am I just not ever going to be good at pouring water and doing things that most people have no problem doing? Yeah? Is that the deal? Well, I hope someday you are able to pour water better than me. Every parent wishes better than how their kids are better for their kids than how they did. So, but somebody else will have to teach it because I can't hard boil eggs and I can't pour water correctly apparently. So, but yeah, this came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to www.zenpop.jp. That's zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code RamenRaider for a discount, which is fun for you. And for Mimi. But, do you like having fun? Are you fun? She likes fun. She always has fun. She's always smiling and laughing. And, yeah. And she's loud. She makes a lot of noise. 50 cents off 110 count of Capri Sun. No. What else we got here? These come from the grocery store. When you buy things, you get tickets and you can win junk. Like, for example, I won nothing. I want a strip of cardboard, but here's what they look like. They're not really all that fascinating. But here we have Safeway. Then there's also Albertsons bought Safeway. And if you go east a little bit, like in Northern California, you'll find Vaughn's, and that's the same deal. 50 cents off Atkins snack bars. No. Oh, I only got 30 seconds left, Mimi. We're running out of time. Yeah. Alright. Come on. We won another piece of card or piece of paper. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and. Alright, so this looks pretty good. Let's get an eyeball on that for you. So it's like a spicy kimchi flavored thing. And, you know, I'll just give it a try real quick. Nice little bit of stuff. So it's like tofu and kimchi in there. Come on. Yeah, that's good. Hit that broth real quick. Broth. Yeah, that's tasty. I'm a fan. I would eat that whole thing, Mimi. I would. I would eat it all. If you didn't understand what she said. Yeah, I hear you, You're watching Caillou. So Caillou is a kids program, if you didn't guess. She's watching that. And letting us all know. Caillou. I think he's French-Canadian. Is he French-Canadian, Mimi? She knows him personally. My last slice of chashu, and that one looks mean. Yeah? Wow. You know, I'm going to save this for something else. No, it doesn't want to keep it together, so... I mean, I totally could do that, you know. I'm not eating it. I could just, like, take it off of this one and use it in the next one. I might just think about doing that. Yeah. A little bit of mung bean sprout there. We got an egg. Come on, egg. Scissors. Scissors and eggs. Great combo. 1, 2, 3. Making it happen. Making it happen, Mimi. Making it happen. What about... come on, Chashu. Ah, Daniel Tiger. Mimi is very vocal. She tells you what she wants and when she wants it. Don't ya? And I think we're gonna add a little black sesame seed. And I really think this would be nice with a little habanero. Oh. There we are. Habanero shichimi or togarashi or, yeah. There you go. Looks good? Is that good? Should I rotate it? Is it rotato time, baby? Say rotato time! Yeah, alright. Here we go. Say bye-bye. Alright, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.